This stunning three-story townhouse along E. Rodriguez Avenue is not just a residential address. It is a lifestyle upgrade. So with its gated community 24/7 and guarded 24/7, and also a saltwater swimming pool that you can enjoy together with your kids is a plus factor, So with its location na malapit sa mga major roads like Aurora Boulevard, EDSA, and Tomas Morato Avenue is also an advantage for those people na nagtatrabaho sa area. So ito ay malapit din sa Cubao, Ali Mall, St. Luke's Medical Center, and also sa may Cubao Expo. So if you are interested, please continue to watch this video. So this is our unit here. No, so it has two parking space, and it can pwede itong i-upgrade into 3 using a car lift. No? So let's check the model unit. Let's go. So upon entry, guys, so this is a hardwood yung main door natin. And also we have a receiving area at this side. Pwede mo gawing study area yan, depende po sa kailangan ninyo. And of course, pasensya na po. So kasama natin ngayon ang ating mga masisipag na mga workers, So pasensya na, sir. So this is your maid's room. Okay, so maid's room hindi pa lang tapos kasi ongoing yung paggawa. And we have here our airway of our emergency exit, and meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So akyat tayo sa may second floor. Let's go. Oh. All right, so second floor, guys, we have our living and dining area and also our kitchen. So what I love about this one is wala kang uh, wala kang balcony really, pero the developer maximizes the space na kung gusto mo ng open, kailangan mo, gusto mo ng hangin, gusto mo lang ng fresh air. Pwede nating, ito kasi sliding siya, sliding door. Ayan. So medyo nahihirapan lang ako, guys, na ayusin ito, Pero this is a sliding door, So this will be converted into balcony, pero wala siya yung extension, So yun maganda. It's a plus factor for this unit. And of course, at this area is your living space or living area or yung dining area mo. And we have here our powder room. Ayan. So at the side naman po is your cozy na kitchen. So, ayan. So yung kitchen natin, okay, so meron tayong provision dito for your refrigerator, and also this is your, pwede ka magluto at this side. And we have a nook. Okay, we have a sink here. And meron tayong open space sa may, at this side, So meron tayong nook at this area para pag nagluluto ka, pwede dito mo i-prepare, and also diretso na, diretso na doon sa dining table. Okay, so proceed tayo sa my third floor. Let's go. But before that, so this is what I'm saying, na meron tayong extra space here. Sorry, okay, sorry, okay lang. Okay lang. Ayan, okay, let's go up. Okay, so we have three bedrooms na sa third floor. So before I go to the master's bedroom, unahin ko muna dito sa may dulo. Okay, so this is your bedroom 1 with its own with built-in cabinets, So cozy lang siya, This is good for kids, or pwede ka mag double deck dito if you need more bed. And of course, we have here our bedroom 2. Ayan. So this is your bedroom 2. Okay. And of course, our master's bedroom. But before that, meron tayo ditong spacious naman siya kahit papaano, Our toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath. Okay. And of course, our master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom, you have here your built-in cabinets and also your uh, huge glass windows and your own toilet and bath. Here you go. All right. So, guys, if you have questions or clarifications, or you wanted to book a tripping, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home. Okay, thank you.